Oh, I didn't remember ordering it this long. Y'all, this say 18 inches. Y'all, don't trip. This 18-inch, this looking like maybe they've been scamming us with the lengths of bundles for so long that I gotta measure this. Hold on. Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Harriet. Welcome back to my channel. Let me take this off. So guys, today we're doing a wig review. I got this wig from OQ Hair on TikTok. This was before the ban and during the holidays. And it's supposed to be a glueless yaki wig because I've been looking for something quick, easy, natural that I can just throw on and go to work in. It's a closure. So hopefully when I open it up, it lives up to its name. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and the reviews I heard from it are right, because if it's not, I'm going to tell you the truth. So I'm a little scared, but let's get right into the video. Oh wait, pause.
No. Hi. Okay.
If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, comment, because I respond. I promise you I'm gonna respond to you if it's appropriate. And like, don't comment any weird thing and think I'm gonna respond. No, but I talk, y'all, don't be scared. So this is how it came into the box, just like that. Ooh. I like it. It's cute. It's even like, don't do this, but like, it looks like a little purse with this flat. And y'all, if my voice goes in and out, my throat has been irritated lately. I don't have the flu or anything. It's just irritated. So I got some lemon water. You know, I got the measuring tape. It's recording, right? Y'all can see me? Good. I got the measuring tape because I feel like this is longer than 18 inches. Maybe I've been being scammed, but let's get into the goodies that they gave me. They gave me some clips, little pink cute clips. They gave me a wig band from OQ Hair. It's purple. Ooh, they gave me one of these. This is like for like to tighten your wig. Like, ooh. Okay, $15 cash back. And they gave me 2 wig caps. You know, like, instead of $15 cash back, why don't you guys just sponsor this video? Well, you don't even have to sponsor, but like, send me a couple wigs. You feel me? But OQ Hair, this is 18 inches for real, because I feel like it's longer than 18 inches. Okay, let me not forget Kinky Straight. We're about to take this out. Let me stop making all this plastic noise. We're about to take this out and we're about to measure it. And so y'all see, it's no cuts in this video. It came like this. So this is hair. This is the hairline. Cute. And it came in the net. I don't even want to take it out of the net, guys. Like, ugh. I'm gonna have to flat iron this. Like at the bottom and cut it, trim the ends so that it gives more natural. But we're gonna do that together. So let's get this measuring tape first. I don't know if it's showing y'all or not, but it's 1 inch, y'all. I promise. I promise. So I'm gonna put it here first. I don't know if I'm measuring this right, but I'm gonna measure it from there first. Y'all, this is literally like there's the that starts. That. Y'all, this is a 25 almost. No, hold on now. Y'all, this is almost a 28-inch wig. Do y'all see that? It is almost 28 inches from the root up. Thank you. Maybe y'all did this because the band was happening. I don't know, but that's really nice of you guys. Like, I greatly appreciate it. You ain't have to send me a 28-inch wig. Okay. We're about to put on our wig cap in 3, 2, 1. And I love that y'all wrapped it in brown. It's like you knew it was coming to a black girl. Did you know that? Did you know? This is it. It's supposed to be glueless spot. I recently bought this lace tint spray from a beauty supply near my job. So I just picked it up. I've actually never used it before. I was using the other brand, but I would have to go into my belongings and search for that one, but I don't have time because, as I said, I have to go to bed. So I'm just going to use the Magic Collection lace tint spray. I'm going to spray it onto the lace. It's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. They did it all the work for me. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna just go in and I'm just gonna spray. I'm kind of nervous because I really hope this matches me. Finished. Usually, sometimes if I didn't have the lace tint spray, I just go in with some makeup and a brush and I dib it and dab it and I go onto the lace with it. Y'all, lately I have been going in between a UK accent or whatever that accent is to back to my American one, and then sometimes I'll be speaking pidgin. Like, I don't know what's been going on with me.
Tomorrow. 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 It's tomorrow, not tomorrow.
Let's just get serious, okay? It's drying, so I'm waiting for it to dry. I've been watching too much Love Island. I think that's what it is. Now, I like the way they did the cap though and everything. It's really nice. Y'all did really good. Like, y'all have this. Is it detachable? It is detachable. Oh, y'all really did y'all big one. Hold on, because the girls on TikTok, they don't be showing y'all all these details. They got that in the back. They got this in the back, and you could detach it. And then they got the combs on the sides. No, because every video I've seen, I haven't seen anybody show me like this. So, come and see. Oh, cute. You guys are queening. I'm kind of nervous. I'm really shaking. I'm scared. I'm looking in my mirror, guys. And either, I was gonna say, either she's too small for my head or my head is too big for her. But, yeah. The color of this, maybe it's the lighting, but it's not matching well enough for me. So I'm gonna have to go in with my powder. So I'll be back. Y'all, I took this wig off to put this powder in the thing, and I got scared because I saw this fall out. I'm thinking, is stuff already falling out? No, y'all. It has two little things so that you can put the comb in or out if you want them or not. Innovation. Maybe y'all have had wigs like that, but I haven't. And I'm not just saying this, I'm being for real. Like, but off rip. If I'm making faces, y'all, it's not because of the hair. I just don't like weave on my skin sometimes. So it is glueless. I just might have to cut these parts off a little bit from my head shape, and or I could just leave it and just when I put the got to be glue on there, it will lay and it'll be melted. But I do gotta flat iron this out and cut the ends. So BRB, I'm gonna go in with some of my Biotic, which by the way, I opened up my container today and noticed that the whole tub has spilled. I literally resurrected this from the tub. Ugh, Lord. Brand new bottle too, y'all. Crazy. And my Tresemme heat protectant.
That's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
I'm going to, what's it called? I'm not going to cut it today. I'm probably going to do that on my mannequin so I can see it better. And I don't want to get hair all over my room. I just cleaned it today. And I'll do the gotta be or the moves tomorrow when I wake up for work. So y'all will see that in the morning. But right now, I'm just trying to flat iron it.
I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
So this is the wig, y'all. I flat ironed it as best as I could. It's really like volume in it. It's a lot of volume. I think I might wear this like curl, like small wand curls with this hair. Like it look good like this though, because it's giving scalp. It's giving straight out of my hair. But tomorrow morning I'm gonna install it the proper way, glueless of course. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Yaki textured glueless 7x5 closure wig from OQ Hair on TikTok. Let's just admire the hair, not the lace. That will get installed later. But our model here is doing a very great job as she's showing you how the weave looks uninstalled. Thank you. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna install it with my hair comb, but this is the hair. She ordered an 18-inch wig but received a 28-inch wig, and maybe you might get just as lucky as her too. Go ahead to TikTok, click that link in her bio, and you can get yourself a wig. This is the final look for today. I'm gonna do an update video to tell you guys how it holds. Does it shed? I already got a few shedding, and as soon as I took it out, it already does not feel like human hair. So maybe I'll read into it, because they didn't say it was synthetic. But I'll go look back at it if it's still there after TikTok was banned. Hopefully it is. But I'll go look back at it and I'll let you know. Let me know if you guys want the link to the wig in the comments down below. And I will link it down below for you guys. Love you, Pearlies. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.